It is time for multi-game cards from the 90s review. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. We are back with a new multi-game card from the 90s, and today's video we are going to check out the TV game card with 22 in 1. I must say, really nice. It comes in this pretty box. You don't see this very often, so I'm going to open it very gentle. And this one also got this grey bootleg cartridge. And here at the back we are finding the games. Othello, Ninja, Arabian. Oh, nice. There are some good games on it. Very nice games. Very curious, what are we going to get with this one? So let's take it in the Rito Trio Plus and let's capture some gameplay, people. Stay tuned and let's go! Alright, again, I needed to clean it because it didn't work the first time. 22 games. Must say the first thing that I'm noticing, I really love the menu. I have never seen this one before. Like it. I really like it when they put more effort in it, but... Oh, hear it! How serious? Oh, this is really cool. Alright, let's see what kind of games. Yeah, we know it because it was on the sticker at the back, but... Balloon Fight. Oh, I love Balloon Fight. Yeah! Oh, I really love this game. It's one of my favorite games from the NES. Basic, challenging, and fun. All at the same time. Oh, he's going to drown. He's going to drown. He's going to drown. He's going to drown. Just drown. Let him drown. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know that sounds really wicked, but it's just a game. Bonus, 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 bonus. Bonus points. Coming for you! Next game. Ninja. What ninja game is this? What kind of ninja? It's freezing. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's working. What the heck is this? I have never played this game. And the dog is barking again, of course. Let's play some Dig Dug. Doggy! Shh! Doggy! Silence! Silence! Dig Dug, a real classic one. Gotcha. Gotcha. Who's coming? Oh, he's coming. Gotcha! Gotcha! First level, round 1 complete. Next game. Become Junior, Popeye. Personally, no offense, but I don't like the Popeye game. Ice Climbers is fun. Let's see, there was a game I wanted to play. Let's see, what was that game? Oh yeah, Kung Fu. Is this the Kung Fu I'm thinking it is? Oh, I love this game. This is a game that I played so many times on a portable system from China that I now know how to play it. Alright. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah! Come on. Come on. Ooh, he kicked me in the balls. I kicked him in the balls. Wow. Today, it's time for Dragon Punch. Whoa! Come on, one. Come on. I'm trying to find the right position. If he comes to the perfect position, I can just jump and kick him. Oh, he's fast. He's fast. Wow, maar door. Ik heb de vier met Dragon Punch. Wow. Come on. And I really love the soundtrack of this game. Come on, bring it out. Come on, bring it out. Bring it out. I hope you don't mind that I'm going to finish this first stage. Come on, come on. Come on, flying kick and kick him in the balls. And again, and again. Dragon Punch. Woo! Yeah. So yeah, very nice. Let's go to the final conclusion. But yeah, there are some good games. I really love the menu. So, for the final conclusion, it's a small card. It's, by the way, in very nice condition. So yeah, thanks to Judith, the multi-card collector, who sent me this for review. I'm not keeping it, keep that one of mine. She just sent me stuff to make a review about. I really love doing that with her together. So I'm a big fan of multi-cards. This one, nice condition, got some really cool games, old school one. Keep in mind, these are 90s multi-game cards. So back in the day, there was a big thing. Now we are spoiled with these Chinese multi-game cards with 100 great or superb games on it. But this one, for back at the time, it's a very nice one. I really love it. And yeah, if I need to make in the top 10, this one deserves a spot in it. I really love it. Want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.